What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You asked for it, I deliver. Long-range flight test of the Flywoo O4 Lite. I put the Flywoo O4 Lite into my Recon 7 and fixed it with some electrical tape. I used the same antenna as I used for the DJI O4 Pro, but this time I only use one of the cables. So we put this one back into the frame. We use the same LiPo as I used in Da Nang, Vietnam. So let's plug it in, prepare everything for the flight, and yeah, I will use the Hello Radio V12 Max. Still testing it, and yes, I know you're waiting for the review, but first I may have to make sure if it's really good controller for you. So let's place this camera here, plug the LiPo in, so we get some satellites. The cable here. We don't have problems with the so let's place the cord here. Due to not having enough space on the memory of the Flywoo O4 Lite, I will use the recording of the goggles. So, no, stop. So it's recording. Let's check the settings before we get the satellites. So, focus mode auto, transmitting power 700 milliwatts maximum. Channel mode on manual 60 megahertz and channel 1. Yeah. So let me check this one. This is okay. And for the camera setting, yes, 1080p 4x3 and everything in auto, so we can fly. So we have 6 satellites now. Place myself a little bit more in the frame, put the drone in the front. Car is coming now, so 8 satellites, this looks good. So let's start the flight from here. Battery's almost full, so we will stay at the height at around 70-80 meters, or maybe 100 meters. Let me check if I'm in that frame. Yes. Can you put the camera a little bit down? It's a little bit dusty from flying. So, okay. 600, 700 meters already in. Oh. I will lean at the car. So, I will show the values for the link quality and the RSSI in the video, like I did in the Da Nang video. So link quality is shitty. I think the antennas are bent and they are in the front of the quad, so they're not the best. Let me increase the RS power a little bit. Okay, this looks good. So two kilometers already. Link quality is okay. 40-30 megabits per second is okay. Let's try a turn here. If the link quality is getting better or worse. Yeah, it's getting worse, of course. The antenna is placed behind the quad, but it's still okay and flyable. Yeah, we will not break the record of the 10 kilometers. I will link the flight. I think we can make 3 kilometers safe with it. You have to turn a little quad. Yeah, 3 kilometers will be easy manageable. No facesaves, this is good. So 3 kilometers, let's have a turn. Yes, there's the link quality is dropping, but this is okay. Let's fly a little bit backwards. Okay. There you can see when we force the brake up. Yeah, we force the brake up. But 3 kilometers is fine for me. I don't think we will go further, but we try to do some penetration testing behind some trees. Yeah, this is not a fancy flight or fancy test. There are some breakups when we do a flip, front flip. Yeah, but this is still flyable. Let me go down low on this field behind these trees. I think return to home is this one.
Return to home.
With 1 second delay, it should kick in.
Return to home. Telemetry lost.
It doesn't kick in. Interesting. Is this return to home? This is rescue mode. I have to hold this button. Okay. New controller. So.
Buzzer active. Return to home.
Okay. So this one is the return to home button. Okay. We have some breakups, you can see. Hit the return button. So let's force it again, right here, behind the tree. Yeah, but this is pretty good for the O4 Lite. You only pay 120, 150 bucks for this one. The image quality is good. For recording, I think the O4 Pro is better and worth it, the price. But just for a light 3-inch whoop, 5-inch quad, 5-inch freestyler, for example, just for practicing, it's pretty nice to have the same field of view as you're used to when you have the Flywoo, the DJI O4 Pro. So as I'm flying thumbing again, I changed the rates. I will put the rates down in the description. Just some moving around. So, okay, this looks pretty good. So, if you have any questions concerning the Flywoo O4 Lite or the DJI O4 Pro or the Recon 7 or the Hello Radio V12 Max, just leave a comment down below. I will try to answer all of this. So
Disarm.
this was the test. See you in the next one.